8 years, 3 trials, and the same painful story told over and over again. And in the end, it wasn't a judge or a jury or Harvey Weinstein's high-powered lawyers who ended this fight. It was the accuser herself who simply said, "I can't do this anymore." New York prosecutors have officially dropped the final rape charge against Harvey Weinstein, meaning the disgraced movie mogul will not face a fourth trial in this Me Too era case that once shook all of Hollywood to its core. The charge centered on Jessica Mann, a hairstylist and actor who alleged that Weinstein raped her in a Manhattan hotel back in March 2013. And this wasn't a woman who backed down easily. Jessica took the witness stand in 3 separate trials, standing there for days at a time, reliving the worst moments of her life in front of strangers, being cross-examined again and again about the complicated relationship she'd had with Weinstein. But this time she wrote a letter to the court, and it was devastating. She said this 8-year battle had nearly stolen a decade of her life, that it had changed her permanently in ways there was no restitution for. She revealed she'd suffered a concussion shortly before testifying, battled headaches on the stand, and at one point felt herself completely dissociating. She said she'd been fragmented, silenced, defamed, and traumatized. Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg made one thing crystal clear. We believe Jessica. We believe her account and her credibility. In 8 years, she never once wavered. But respecting the survivor's wishes, his office chose not to put her through a 4th trial. So here's the big question everyone's asking. Does this mean Weinstein walks free? Absolutely not. At 74 years old, he is still very much behind bars. This particular charge was only a low-level felony, carrying a maximum of 4 years, less time than he's already served. The real reckoning is still coming. In New York, he's already been convicted in a separate sexual assault case involving another woman, and his sentencing is set for September, where prosecutors are demanding 20 years. After that, he still faces 16 years in California, where he was convicted of raping a third woman, an Italian actor. Weinstein is appealing both convictions and continues to insist he is completely innocent, claiming every encounter was consensual. But it was Jessica's final line in that letter that truly lands. She wrote that respectfully and with honor, she was ending this season of her life, and would no longer take part in criminal proceedings against, in her words, the man who raped her. A fight where, even after everything, real justice may have quietly slipped through her fingers.